Hi YouTube, how you doing? I hope everybody's been great and I hope everybody is being wonderful out there. How's your day going? I hope you're good. Alright guys, if you're new here, you are mostly welcome. If you are old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out. I'm Miss Tito. We're all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. And if you are just passing by, why don't you just subscribe? It's a fun channel. It's a beautiful channel. We cute, we're fashionable, and we're beautiful up on this channel. As you guys can see inside today, it is the end of winter, early spring brunch outfit styling idea. I just said let me put some together for you guys to see how we're going to brunch this spring and end of winter season. So if you like to see how the styling go, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay y'all, this is the first thing that I put together. It is this beautiful dress from Fashion Nova. So cute, and the heels also is from Fashion Nova. It's just a simple little dress, long, beautiful, cute, simple, something you could just put on. And if you're going out, you could just put like a nice blazer or something like that. Don't put it on, just pop it on your shoulder and you should be able to be good to go. Meet up with your girls, you're going to eat, be cute. And because this dress has a little bit of ruching right here, it is very comfortable to wear. Even if you eat a lot, it's not going to show, and I think it looks really cute. This is something I would definitely put on to go to brunch with my girls. Really cute, really nice. So you all know spring ain't that cold, so why not pop something cute? Do y'all like my hair? I really like my hair like this. It's so cute, ain't it? So yeah, so cute, so nice. Some simple, chic, feminine, beautiful to wear out. Okay y'all, this is the next outfit that I have on from Fashion Nova. This shirt is from Fashion Nova. The skirt is from J-Lux label, and I think it's really cute. I'm not sure if I'll be able to link this shirt because I've had this shirt for more than 2 years in my closet and I ain't never worn it. It still got a tag on it. Never put it on. I didn't even think I tried it on when I bought it. It is too cute. Really nice, really cute, simple outfit. Really, the skirt is pretty stretchy. It's like a cable knit kind of skirt. Really cute, really beautiful. The shirt is a bodysuit. So I just think this is such a cute, simple outfit to put on and go eat. And you can eat and drink bottomless mimosa. Let's do it, girl. Let's go out and drink some drinks. But this is so cute. The purse is from Shein. I had this too for almost 2 years now. So yeah, such cute, simple outfits. Together, it is this nice beautiful crop top right here and this leather pant right over here. This is a very cute outfit that you could wear to brunch, meet your girls out. Then when you're done, you could go out and do some other stuff. This is such a cute, beautiful outfit. The top is from Chic Couture and the bottom is from Fashion Nova. This is so cute. I really like this so very much. Really cute. It shows up your shape and everything, and if you want, you could put a coat over this one before you get to your destination, and once you're there, you could just pop that off and enjoy your afternoon. This is so cute. And you guys know most of those places are always cold anywho, so it's better for you to just hold on to your sweater or your jacket. So this is what this one looks like. right here. So I went ahead and paired this blazer from Shein with this lace bodysuit right here from Fashion Nova, and that same tie that I just took off. So yeah, this is what this one is looking like. Really cute, really simple, also very nice. Just a cute little blazer for you to take out, wear, and chill. Really cute, bottomless mimosa. Nice food. Let's eat, be merry, and be happy. Yep, this is such a cute little outfit too also. What y'all think? Don't forget to go in the comment section, let me know what you guys think about this whole outfit. Really cute, really nice, simple, chic, nice, beautiful. Put it on and you're out the door. And with this hair, actually, it looks really cute, right? I paired together, it is this simple little outfit right over. It is this blazer from JLux label. Really cute, really nice. The lingerie bodysuit situation is from Fashion Nova, and this little tie thingy is from Chic Couture. I think it's really cute, nice, simple brunch outfit. What y'all think? I think he elevates, and you look sexy, cute, vibrant in the spring, and you're going about your way. The blazer is very boxy, so hence the reason why I put the arm up a little bit. It does have a button right over here. Really cute, nice blazer, but it's very, very boxy. And also I just left it open, and then the tight thingy comes with a long zipper right here. Really cute. The shoe is from Fashion Nova also. It's just on Prospect heels. So yeah, really cute. What the back is looking like. I love it. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the outfit that I put together for you guys. Just a styling idea to brunch, and you could wear it to a date night also. You guys had the real MVP for watching it all the way to the end. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Alright guys, until next time, everything I have on, if I can see them, I'll definitely link them in the description box below. So don't forget to check the description box. Until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.